Are you tired of tracking every single dollar? Does the thought of opening a budget spreadsheet fill you with dread? Traditional budgeting, the kind where you categorize every $5 coffee, can feel restrictive, tedious, and honestly overwhelming. Are you tired of tracking every single dollar? Today we're ditching the penny pinching and adopting a system that's simple, visual, and automatically puts your money where it needs to be. I'm talking about the bucket budget method. Welcome to the Infinite Income Channel. I'm George Mayfield, aka the Dividend Doctor, and I'm here to help you cut through the noise and build lasting wealth with clarity and confidence. This channel is all about practical strategies, creative insights, and tools you can actually use to take control of your financial future. Now, before we get started, the information shared in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, forget the spreadsheets and ditch the guilt. This is the 3-bucket rule, a heavyweight champ of simplicity. You've got just 3 buckets. One for survival, one for lifestyle, and one for building wealth. No more nickel and diming every expense. Just drop your dollars where they belong and let the buckets do the work. It's budgeting without the burnout. So what exactly is bucket budgeting? It's a visual and practical money management system where you allocate a percentage or a fixed amount of your income into separate, purposeful buckets, often just using separate bank accounts. You do this the very moment you get paid. The genius here is its simplicity. If your fun bucket is empty, you simply don't spend anything. There's no analyzing transaction logs. This simplifies your decision-making, automates your savings, and prevents accidental spending that derails your big goals. We're going to focus on 2 core systems. First, the classic 3-bucket system, which is perfect for maximum simplicity. And then we'll look at the slightly more refined 4-bucket system, which gives you better control over your large annual expenses. The 3-bucket system is the most popular, and it's built on a version of the 50-30-20 rule. You can, however, adjust these percentages to fit your needs. Bucket 1 is your needs bucket. 50 to 60% of your income goes here. This is your survival bucket. These are your absolute non-negotiables, the expenses that keep the lights on and a roof over your head. It includes your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, minimum debt payments, and basic transportation. Bucket 2 is your wants bucket. It probably holds between 10 to 30% of your income. This is your lifestyle bucket, and it's crucial for making your budget sustainable. This is your guilt-free spending money. Things like dining out, that streaming subscription, your hobbies, travel, and new clothes. If money gets tight, this is the first bucket you cut the spending from. Then there's bucket number 3. It's the bucket that holds money for your goals. Allocate 20% or more in this one. This is the bucket dedicated to building long-term wealth. This is where you pay yourself first. This includes contributions to your emergency fund, retirement investing, like an IRA or 401k, and any extra debt payments above the minimum. Now, if the 3-bucket system feels a little too general, let's look at the upgrade, the 4-bucket system. This one is perfect for anyone who struggles with large, irregular bills. Things like car insurance that hits every 6 months, annual fees, or Christmas spending. In other words, Bucket 4 is for those periodic expenses. You calculate the annual cost of those big bills and divide it by 12. Then send that small amount into this bucket every month. The revised 4-bucket breakdown looks like this. 1. Fixed needs, which are your monthly bills. Periodic needs, this is for your sinking funds. Bucket 3 is for your flexible spending, for things you want or for fun. And then bucket number 4 is for your financial future. It's for your savings and investing. Think about this. If your car registration is $300 in December, instead of last-minute panicking, you would have already saved $25 a month into that periodic bucket throughout the year. This way you pay it with no stress. It's truly a game changer. Okay, does this sound good? Here's how you set it up. It's a 5-step process that you can launch on your next payday. Step 1. Calculate your net income. Always budget using your net income. This is the money that actually hits your bank account after taxes and any retirement deductions. Step 2. Track it for 1 month. Before you assign your percentages, you need a realistic view. So, track where your money's going for 1 month to set realistic initial percentages to cover your needs and wants. Step 3. Assign your dollar amounts. Take your chosen percentages, say 50, 30, 20%, and convert them into hard dollar amounts. This is called zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job. Step 4. Set up your bank accounts. You need physical separation, so open separate, free checking or savings accounts, sometimes called digital envelopes or pots. Great banks for this include Ally Bank, Capital One, or whatever bank offers multiple savings accounts. Finally, Step 5. Automate your transfers. Set up your direct deposit to split your paycheck or set up automatic transfers for the day after payday. The goal here is automation. The money moves automatically to its dedicated bucket after every payday. The bucket budgeting system is so powerful because it takes the complexity out of your daily spending decisions and puts your financial future on autopilot. By separating your money, you eliminate the constant internal debate about whether you should be spending or saving. And here's a pro tip. Name each of your accounts. Call them rent and bills, my fun money, or the financial freedom fund. This psychological trick makes it even easier to stick to. Let me know in the comments below what you'll name your buckets. Let me take a moment here to ask you to please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making investing and money management understandable and easy. Stop stressing over every dollar and ditch the old-school budgeting grind. With the simple 3-bucket rule, your money has a clear purpose, your goals stay on track, and your lifestyle remains guilt-free. It's not about restriction, it's about freedom. Start using the buckets today and put your financial future on autopilot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, manage your money wisely and keep building your infinite income.